What do you guys want to say? Okay, my name is
Making a
Hey.
video?
Yeah.
He's been recording the whole time.
Hey friends, Float family. Hey Float family. Hey Float family of the world. Of the world. No. Okay, hold on. Sit up, Daniel. What are you doing?
Hey, Float family.
Remember
And
how
I
we
just-
did it in the past? We were
No,
like,
I don't want to do it like
hey Float family, friends of Float Light fan. Okay.
you gotta start.
Just float family. Let's go.
Hey Float family. No wait. Hey Float family. Hey Float family, and everybody who supported us in 2020. We wanted to wish you all a happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
And a happy new year.
From all of us here.
At Float Light.
We've had quite 2020, didn't we? Yeah.
No.
But we are here to wish you all happy holidays and
Happy New Year.
from Houston.
Okay, one more time.
Yeah, we got
so
this,
what
we
are you
got
gonna
this.
say?
I got.
Happy holidays.
You're supposed to say thank you first.
Okay.
So what's the last thing that you're gonna say?
Happy holidays.
Okay.
Hey Flow family. We wanted to thank everyone for the support that they've given us over the last year, and wish everyone a happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
And a happy new year.
From all of us.
At Float Light.
Bye, friends. We'll see you in 2020.
Woo.
21.
We don't want to go back to that year.
Okay, you can cut that at a good point. I think we got it.